In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to unpark a domain on GoDaddy, a popular web hosting platform. This is a fairly straightforward process, and I will guide you through each step to ensure you can do it correctly. To start with, you will need to access your GoDaddy account. So go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. Navigate to the GoDaddy website and sign yourself in. Once you are logged into your account, your next step would be to proceed to your domain portfolio. This is essentially a catalog of all the domains that you own through GoDaddy. Upon landing on your domain portfolio, you will have an overview of all the domains that you own. Now it's time to locate the domain you wish to unpark. It might take a few seconds to locate, but once you've found it, you'll need to access its individual settings page. To do so, select the domain. You're now on your way to unparking your domain. From the settings page of the individual domain, you should find an option called DNS settings. Don't worry about the term DNS, as it simply stands for Domain Name System, which is a system used for translating domain names into IP addresses. Click on the DNS settings to proceed. Within DNS settings, look for a record labeled A. This is known as an A record, an important component in the DNS protocol that maps your domain name to your IP address. Specifically, you will need to find an A record with the @ symbol in the name field. The @ symbol typically represents the root of your domain. Once you've identified the correct A record, it's time for you to make modifications. To do so, click on Edit that's usually adjacent to the A record. This will now allow you to modify the details within. Your next task is to focus on the value field. Here, you'll be required to enter the correct IP address that aligns with your website's hosting. Enter the correct IP address, ensuring there are no typographical errors. The correct IP allows correct routing of internet traffic to your website. Now, with the correct IP address entered, it's time to save your changes. There should be a Save button somewhere within the window, usually located towards the bottom of the page. Click on it to finalize the process. Remember, the changes you just made might take some time to propagate throughout the internet. This is completely normal, so there's no need to worry. That's it. You have just learned how to unpark a domain on GoDaddy. Now, wasn't that simple? With this knowledge at your fingertips, managing your domains will surely be a breeze. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.